Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to turn off Android phone in 2025. Let's begin. In order to turn off any Android phone, all you want to do is simply expand your control center, locate the power icon, probably at the bottom or somewhere up, then click on it and simply hit restart. However, if you cannot see this option for some reason, you can always just go and press and hold power button and volume up button and then click restart from here. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.